Sprint. He sprints in the race. She sprints to the finish line. She sprints to the finish line. Jog. He jogs in the park. She jogs every evening. She jogs every evening. Climb. He climbs the wall. She climbs the mountain. She climbs the mountain. Dive. He dives into the pool. She dives to catch the ball. She dives to catch the ball. Swing. He swings the bat. She swings the racket. She swings the racket. Spin. He spins quickly. She spins during the dance. She spins during the dance. Lift. He lifts weights. She lifts the barbell. She lifts the barbell. Push. He pushes the sled. She pushes hard during training. She pushes hard during training. Pull. He pulls the rope. She pulls the resistance band. She pulls the resistance band. Finish. He finishes the race. She finishes the workout. She finishes the workout.